In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a printhead clean on your Epson XP-3100 printer. So we'll want to be on this screen on the home page of your printer. If you're not on this screen, you can select the home button just to the left. We want to scroll across to the cogwheel image where it has settings. On this page we want to go to maintenance and then scroll across to head cleaning. Once you select OK, the screen now says clean printhead to correct missing dots. To start the cleaning process, we want to select the start button. The screen will now tell you this takes about 3 minutes. Once this is done, you'll then have a screen that says cleaning complete, check if nozzles are not clogged. From here you have the option of just finishing this process here, or you can go down to nozzle check and select OK, load A4 paper, and then we want to select the start button to start the nozzle print process. This is the nozzle print pattern you will have. As you can see, we don't have any blockages in our printhead. Any blockages it may have had are now clear. As you can see, all of these lines are all present and correct. You'll then have a screen that says, are there any missing segments? In our case, we want to select no. However, if you do, you'll go on to yes, and this will start another printhead cleaning process. That is how we do a printhead clean on your Epson XP-3100 printer. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.